I think we need 1 more cup of water because this is thick and the heavy whipping cream is also thick. This looks like the desired consistency of the curry. If you like a little watery, you can add some more water or keep it like this. Depending on how thick is your whipping cream, you can add water later. So now to this I'm going to add the spices. So first I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric powder. Garam masala. Red chili powder to your taste. If you like spicy, you can add more. For me, I like spicy, so I'm adding more, but you can just skip that step also. Salt to taste. Sugar. Just a little bit, because the tomatoes are very sour. The tomato paste can get very sour. So just to get the sourness down, we need to add a little bit of sugar. Mix it well. When it comes to the boil, I'm going to add heavy whipping cream to it. Not much, but a little, 1/3 cup maybe. Some more. Just to get that color which we get in the restaurants. That's how I eyeball it. If you don't have paneer cottage cheese, you can just make it with the canned garbanzo beans. Instead of paneer, you can add garbanzo beans to this sauce, or you can make it with the tofu, or with just green and red bell peppers. So you doesn't need to have paneer all the time to make this dish. At the end, I'm just going to add some black pepper. And the tomato ketchup. Mix it well and just cook it for a minute so that the tomato ketchup taste also gets incorporated in the gravy. finally, I'm going to add this kasuri methi. This is the optional ingredient. If you have it, well and good. If you don't, that doesn't make much difference in the taste. At the end, I'm going to add some more butter to give it the shine. It gives the nice rich look and the consistency. The dish is ready to serve. And you can garnish it with a little bit of cream on top and some cilantro leaves. This dish is ready to serve.